Okay, I am proper in love with this. I think it is stunning. It is a beautiful, look at the sheen on that red leather. It is stunning. Kate Spade Twistlock shoulder crossbody bag. And I just love that red with the pink. I think it is stunning. So I'll talk through the features of the bag in a second. As usual, I'm going to put it on so you can see the size of the bag. The exact measurements are on the website. This is just to put them into some kind of perspective. So I am about 5'4". I'm a UK size 8'10". The strap is adjustable. You've got 3 possible lengths, if you like. Okay, so as you can see, I've got it on the middle setting. I'm about 5'4". Okay, so it could go longer or shorter than this. Again, crossbody on the middle section. I would probably put this on the longer one for crossbody. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So it comes with a few things. It comes with the Kate Spade dust bag. It also comes with tissue paper. It comes with a care document. And I've called both of these product tags. So you've got the actual product tag there. This one actually says, we gave the smooth leather on this bag the dream treatment, a special finish that protects it from scratches. So that's quite useful, isn't it? But I've called it a product tag because I wasn't sure what to call it really. So on the back, I'm going to show you the back first of all. We've got Kate Spade, New York, and we've got a little flat pocket here, okay, on the back. And then on the front, we have, of course, got the twist lock. So you literally twist the heart and in you go, okay, dead easy. Inside it is leather all inside. There's one zipped pocket, one little flat pocket. So you've got the red leather here, and then, how can I show you, is that going to work? Pink leather on the inside there. It is absolutely stunning. It's basically perhaps been used once or twice. It's in fantastic condition. So the exterior is excellent, the interior is excellent. The hardware I've called good because just where my finger is there, can you see on the gold? There's a little tiny chip. Now, when you actually have this, you kind of have to search for it. You can barely see it, but I've called the hardware good. Everything else on the bag is excellent. All the rest of the hardware is excellent. It's literally just that little chip. If I put this back, so you can see how you would probably have it as you wear it, that's perhaps better. It's on the bottom there, down there. Okay. The other thing is, inside the zip pocket, the zip's quite stiff. It's stiff because it hasn't been used. So overuse, obviously that would soften. But just so that you're aware of that. So, this gorgeous bag, and I really do properly love it. I think that twist lock is gorgeous, and I think that colourway, it's a pale gold hardware with that little bit of pink. And the fact it's leather inside, I just think is so beautiful. So there's a link to this on the website. If you go to the comments below, my comments below the video, there's a link to the website and all of our other pre-owned bags, purses, wallets are all on there as well. When you're on the website, sign up to the newsletter. You have to do it on the website, you can't sign up here. Go to the website, sign up, and we'll send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. It will take you seconds to do. You literally just go to the bottom, fill in the box, and jobs are good. Also in the comments below, I have put a link to our Instagram. If you are on Instagram, please come and follow us on Insta. And also subscribe to this channel. We have Armcandy coming in every single day. So if Armcandy is your thing, subscribe, set up your alert so that you don't miss your dream bag.